Meaning of flight jacket.
Flight jacket.
Flight jacket.
Flight jacket.
Flight jacket. A flight jacket, also known as a bomber jacket, is a type of jacket originally designed for military pilots. It typically has a front zipper closure, ribbed cuffs and waistband, and a fur or synthetic-lined collar. The jacket's outer shell is typically made of leather or nylon. Some flight jackets also feature multiple pockets and patches or insignia representing the wearer's rank or military unit. Today, flight jackets are often worn as a fashion statement but still retain their original design elements and practical features.